Hey guys, Dylan here. I know I said that my scooter was coming on Thursday, but it came actually earlier. So, I'm still not telling you what it is though. I told you, go away, I don't want to cut you. Go away, Toj. Go away. Just gotta get the sides now. Oh, I'm so excited for this. Even though it's not really a good scooter, it's still good for starters. And I can barely do that with any tricks.
Okay.
Oh, it's open, it's open. Whoa, there is lots of wrapping in here. Oh, sorry. Oh yeah, my friend Ben is here.
So much wrapping! That's not a stunt.
Yeah, it is. It's a stunt scooter. Here it is. It's the Razor Ultra Pro Low. It is a stunt scooter. So get that box over there, please. So here it is, and now, oh, I'm so excited. Now we gotta just.
Toj!
Yeah, he likes to mess with boxes.
Ready? It's where'd he go?
Is he under it?
Yeah.
What the heck?
Yeah, see?
Okay, let me just keep this open. Sorry, my friend is playing with my cat right now. Come on, open.
Toj.
Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna cut this. This knife is actually pretty sharp.
Toj.
What are you doing? Sorry, my cat's being a little retard. Okay. Oh God. Oh, I'm so excited. It just came too. Come on, stupid thing. So here it is. Comes with a owner's manual and an Allen key that I need, obviously. So let's just open this now. I've been told that the grips are really uncomfortable, so that's why I got some ODI grips. I'm not sure if they came with it though. Oh yes, they have wide bars. So let's just. What the heck? These are nice. Oh, the clamp is stuck, that's why.
Come on. I got it.
Ouch. These are some nice bars. I love these things.
Can I see?
Well, they are pretty soft in your hands. They are pretty comfortable. But I did get ODI grips. I'm not sure if they came with it though. And then here's the deck. It's a pretty nice deck. Oh. It had the wheels have Apex 7 bearings.
Dude,
So-
this.
They're really, really good. Now I'm gonna actually build the thing. So I'm gonna put the bars on. Geez, this clip is huge.
You're gonna have to loosen it. The clamp.
Yeah, I'm gonna need to loosen it a bit.
Just have your dad do it.
No, I'm not. I wanna do it.
Use the other side.
You guys do not know how excited I am right now. Frick.
You threw the key, so you're pretty excited.
No, I just like dropping Allen keys for some reason. Yeah, I don't know if my ODIs came yet. So let's just untighten it a bit.
Oh.
And it does come with the double-sided clamp.
Just put there.
Yeah. Okay, this one's pretty tight. There we go. This is nice, you guys. But it has a threaded headset, so it's not going to be that dialed.
I'm gonna go into hibernation, so you might want to move.
I'm making a video. Oh, come on, go on. There we go.
I know. Ouch. I like messing around with
Okay, so now I got it pretty straight. Now let's tighten it up.
Hi.
You guys do not know how excited I am.
Yeah, I do.
The bars are 18 inches, I think.
Huh?
The bars are 18 inches.
Oh. Is the video still going?
What?
Is the video still going?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sorry guys, my friend's being a complete retard right now.
So, completely what?
Nothing.
I am a phone.
I'm so happy, you guys. Ow. It hurt. So we just tighten these. Sorry it's taking so long. It's my first time ever building a scooter. Tested by Team Razor for durability and performance. Rigid down tube for ultimate durability. Okay, now we gotta just tighten
It says
it.
right there 21 inches bars.
They're 18. The handlebar height is 21. But they're 18
The
inches.
width is 18.
Yeah.
Can I try this?
No.
No.
The good thing is that it comes with an Allen key so that you have an extra tool. I need to tighten it pretty good though. And I'm going to be going pier jumping today from Ben. He can't show his face on camera though. Dad won't let him. But otherwise, I'm sure he would, right?
Pretty much, yeah, I would. But
So yeah, it's my Razor Ultra Pro low. I thought the bars would be a lot, not wider,
lower.
lower, yeah. Or no, I thought they would be,
Dude, that's like this.
So this is the whole scooter. The brake, it's really good, but otherwise it's really light, lighter than my other stunt scooter. I shone light. Let's close this knife so I don't step on it and stab myself. So now I'm gonna try and look for my ODI grips, unless it's coming in the mail today.
It's probably in the mail tomorrow, probably.
Try to watch out.
Fine. Load likes the box.
Yeah, so my ODI grips didn't come yet, but these are pretty comfortable. So yeah, I will be making a video of me outside. So yeah, going on ramps. If my friend will record me.
Maybe.
Maybe. So yeah, thank you guys for watching and I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.